So we're going to Highgate Woods, an ancient woodland, in North London, between Finchley, Highgate and Muswell Hill. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, to learn more things about London. We're walking along Muswell Hill Road. To the south, or left, is Queen's Woods. Highgate Woods is to the north, or right. We're going here to look at some very interesting activities that went on right here during Roman times. There's 4 ancient woods in the borough of Haringey, where we are. These are Highgate Wood, which used to be called Gravel Pit Wood; Queenswood to the south of Highgate Wood, in Muswell Hill, which used to be called Churchyard Bottom Wood; Coldfall Wood, and Bluebell Wood, all in Muswell Hill. The flora and fauna has been managed by humans to varying degrees through the ages, mainly in oak, hornbeam and holly wood. Highgate Wood is also home to more than 50 other tree and shrub species. 71 species of birds have been recorded: foxes, squirrels, bats, including the rare Leisler's bat, 180 species of moth, 12 species of butterflies, and 80 species of spiders. This makes the wood a really interesting environment to explore, and there's so much more to be mentioned. But one very interesting thing discovered was activities of Roman pottery. Archaeologists found a total of 10 Roman kilns. A kiln is an oven. It was used by the Romans for making clay pots.
I just say I'm on a late shift. I'm not doing it. So I don't wanna.
Under the green cover is a full working replica of a Roman kiln. They will use this one to show how the Romans made clay pots. In this little building is an exhibition, showing the remains of one of the best preserved kilns. Read the texts. Pause the video for each text. A lot very interesting reading. "2,000 years of recorded history. At Highgate Wood. The kiln. This is how it looked. And here's the remains. It has no cover, as this was made out of softer materials and wasn't preserved. It would have looked something like this. Let's enter the exhibition. Pause the video to read. We will explore more of the woods in future videos, so please like and subscribe to the channel for more.